prediction today. Sorry. What's your prediction?
I'll give it to you after 3 deliveries. At the end of 12 overs.
Oh, lovely, sir. So at the start of the 13th, I'll be asking you the same question. He goes aerial. This goes long. That's the 6. And this is what we were talking about. We were anticipating this. There it comes with the beats.
Harish now standing good for the responsibility he's been given by his team. Batter at number 8 in their first yesterday in their first game against Bhagalpur, but today he has decided that he will chance his arm, hit the first 6 of the match as well.
He had a chance of making the over big, but they are happy with 9 from the over. 12 gone, 79 for 1.
Resilient. All kinds of bikes. Geared up for something new. Something better. It's gonna be a hell of a ride. Racing every week. Live on Eurosport.
Praiseworthy partnership of 55, and this time Suraj Chauhan strikes, goes right through, and as soon as we were talking about the partnership, it's been broken. 79 for 2 the score, and Suraj Yadav strikes. Harish gone.
79 for 2. How? Take a look. Inside edge, onto the pads, onto the stumps, off you go. Delight is mine, look at his mind. Why was the umpire signaling out?